Hey friends, so today I'm going to create the Casio calculator miniature version. So today I have brought 3 faces of Casio calculator of the same version and the net of that, the box of that, sorry. So today's net is pretty small than the last time's net, and that was very big, the net of the Doritos chips. So this time it's going to be very small. So as I recommended that most of you were lazy to download and print out most of the bigger copies, so I started creating smaller copies for your well-being. So guys, don't forget to subscribe me because I'm now competing the competition CFW, but last week I was unable to do that because of a festive season in my area. So however, this time I'm sure, but I'm not sure that I will be able to release this video on this Saturday itself, cause the Wi-Fi connection of my home is very slow these days. Then that's the problem. That's a major problem for the delayment of my videos, and I apologize from you. So now I'm going to the creation. So today I'm creating the Casio calculator miniature version. So now I'm cutting the watch face of the Casio calculator. So guys, be careful when using with scissors because they are very sharp. So as I warn you about that also, I want to tell you that the CFWs are having a party, so please comment CFW and your own good comment, please, because my channel should be very loyal to new visitors of my channel, so I recommend you to behave very politely on my channel. So I eventually thank you for giving me one more subscriber for my last video, and I don't know who is it, but I recommend to give me 1 subscriber for each video and 5 likes for each video and 1 comment. Then I can select one of the CFWs from those, and that will even give an advantage for you. You can be a CFW winner. So however, those are nonsense, so let's get to the creation. We have to always focus on the creation, and that's what my main aim is. So now I have created the box of the Casio calculator, and it should look like this when I have pasted it with Fevicol binder glue. So the remaining part is this Casio calculator watch face. So guys, in this video I time lapse some of the events, some of the parts, so that you can save time, and even I can save my MB in my Wi-Fi router. So I apologize for you if you were unable to see any of these moments, but I have to do that for my well-being, so sorry. So guys, now I'm demonstrating the way that I should put on the calculator into the box. And even you can use one of these 2 nets also by creating more printouts, but I think that's a wastage of ink and also your money. Even truly guys, I'm recommending you to use a laser printer for making one of or all of these crafts, because laser printers are so shiny and they make great effects on most behalf of the printers. So I recommend you to use laser printers instead of Canon inkjet printers. So however, if you are unable to print out these things, surely not at a far distance, I will be holding competitions to give you free printers. So that will be starting from 200 subscribers, so please help me to reach 200 subscribers. So guys, now I'm working with the back side of the Casio calculator, and I also want to remind you that next week I'm going to create the Apple iMac desktop computer. So that will be pretty fun and pretty hard to make because it's almost creation of Apple Inc. Private Limited. So the stand of the iMac will be pretty hard to create, so I recommend that I also will be able to make that for 2 days, that eventually, and like this, when you have finished the Casio calculator, you can place it in the box and you can see what will happen. Hey friends, and today I created the craft of how to create the miniature version of the Casio calculator. So guys, what do you think about this craft? Is it funny and miniaturist as regularly? So guys, today I'm going to show you this outro in a new different angle with my laptop view. So watch that also till the end. So I'm requesting that also from you guys, and please comment from my new Casio Ultra Mini miniature realistic craft. So guys, what do you think